go through the corn soup. So first note down the ingredients. We need the following thing: 1 breakfast cup of fresh wheat, 1 quart of butter, half pint of milk, half ounce of butter, half ounce of finely chopped parsley, 1 ounce of escalate, seasoning to taste. So this was the ingredients. Now next go forward to the cooking process. We have to steep the wheat overnight in the water. This is the first step. Next, boil it in the same water for 3 hours. And not only that, we have to add the butter, the escalates, and we have to chop up, that would be escalate should be chopped up very fine. And then we have to add pepper and salt. Next, we have to whole let the whole mixture simmer very gently for another half hour. Then after that we can add the milk and parsley to it. After that we have to again boil the soup once more and serve it. So that is all for the making of corn soup. Hope you like it. Please make this healthy dish. Thank you.